Hey Wonder Friends, welcome back to Wonderville Studios. Today we're going to draw the unicorn, the coolest, most magical creature, in my opinion. So grab your markers and some paper. We're going to have a magically good time. Yes! Alright guys, welcome back. I hope you got your marker boop, and paper. Bleep, and we're going to draw our unicorn. I want you to start with your paper horizontal, sideways, and we're going to start up here in this left-hand corner. Left. Did you know you could do that? You can find your left from your right by making an L like this, and you'll know which one's your left hand. So you're going to start in the left-hand corner here, and I want you to start with drawing a V that is up, down, upside down, and sideways, just like this. And then you're going to connect this line and this line with a half circle. So now we start that way. Now from this front part, we're going to draw a U that swoops just like that. And then from this back part, when you think about a letter J standing on its head, it's going to go just this way like that. And from this point, we're going to draw a half circle that comes up, but not as far as the front did. I'm going to stop right before that. And then sometimes we draw our S's backwards, so S's go this way. But sometimes when we were little, especially, we drew them backwards. And that's what you're going to do right here, is you're going to draw an S shape just like that. And you're going to stop. Now, who doesn't know what a hot dog looks like? Like, everybody knows what a hot dog looks like. And we're going to draw a hot dog by connecting this line and this line with a gigantic hot dog shape. And it's going to go just like this. You're going to swoop it around and touch it. Can you see the big old hot dog shape right here? Now that we have that, we got to make sure our unicorn has a tail. And the tail is going to go right back here by the booty. And you can draw any type of tail you want. I like just to draw like a big old circle tail just like this. Now this is the top of our unicorn's head. So I want you to draw a V right on top of its head. And do half circles on each side. So it's like it's a Pac-Man sitting on top of its head. And from that, this is the mane. And we're going to do half circles down the back of the mane, just like so. Now how we drew the hot dog body, we're going to think about having two hot dogs. We cut them in half, and we're going to put two in the front and two in the back. And they go just like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we have what would be legs, hot dog legs, right? And then draw just yourself a straight line on each one of them. And then you can color those in. And those become the hooves. Hooves, hooves. Hooves is such a weird word. It sounds funny when you say it, but that's the right way to say it. So anyway, then we're going to draw like a little half circle right here, and that kind of just shows the belly. Gives our unicorn a belly. Now, the important part of our unicorn is that it needs to be able to see. So the way we do that is we're just going to draw an oval right here, and then right beside it, another oval. And I like to put little eyelashes on my unicorns because for some reason I just think that they would have eyelashes. So you can do that by just drawing 3 little lines there. And then I like to draw just lines across on the horn also because it makes it look like the horn's twisted. And inside of the eyes, you're going to draw yourself another oval on each one, so your unicorn is looking there. Now, I like to put goofy teeth on the unicorn, so I do like these little half circles, just like this. And then a really easy way when you draw in cartoons to make it look like the inside of the mouth that there's something in there is if you just draw a straight line down, and then you just fill that in. Now it looks like there's something behind that mouth. And then the last thing we need to do is we got to make sure that there's nose holes. And you think of a unicorn as a lot like a horse. And horses have those big nostrils. And a cool way of doing it is if you just draw little spirals out. And those spirals out this way. And we could draw ourselves some eyebrows on there. You could put glasses on your unicorn. You could put flames on your unicorn. Maybe your unicorn has a tattoo on its booty of a heart. You can sprinkle some magic on the unicorn, and the way we do that is just like when we're making like any sort of holiday cards. These would be snowflakes, right? But unicorn world, this is magic. And then the last thing you do is you need to sign it. So the cool thing about unicorns is they're magical. And the cool things that you can do in your day that brings magic to people's worlds is smile. Did you know that sometimes you can change somebody's whole day by just smiling at them? And before you know it, they tell somebody else and they smile at them. And before you know it, just like there's a million little unicorns running around because you started that one little bitty piece of magic and you helped change a bunch of people's lives. So if you ever want to bring some magic to people's day, just give them a smile. Let them know that you see them. Bring some happiness to their life. So until I see you next time, be the weird you want to see in the world. Be nice and inspire others. I'll see you around. See ya. Hey Wonder Friends, thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others.